So in this video we are going to see about user defined function. C functions are categorized into two. One is library function and other is user defined function. Library functions are not written by us. So for example, it is a printf, scanf which we are using for our programs. Next is a user defined function. User defined functions are developed by us at the time of writing the program. So as we know, a main function is the indication for the beginning of its execution. And so far we have written program utilizing only main function. So sometimes the program may be too big and complex and we can't identify where the error is. So maintaining becomes difficult for us. So solution for this is that the program can be divided into functional parts. Then each part may be independently coded, later combined into a single unit. These coded programs are called as subprograms, and this subprograms is called as functions. Now let us see about elements of user defined functions. So this is a simple program for user defined function. This is a program where we are declaring the add function and we are calling the add function and we are adding two numbers and returning to the main function. This is the program. So what are the elements of user defined functions? So user defined functions has three elements. One is function definition, function call and function declaration. So you can see I have mentioned in a red where is function declaration, where is function call and where is function definition. Okay, now coming on, let's see in detail about function definition. The below part is the function definition. The function definition has two parts. One is function header and function body. So function header is divided into three parts. One is function type, other is a function name and a parameter list. What is function type? Function type specifies the type of value that the function is expected to return to the program calling the function. Whereas function name is any valid C identifier. The parameter list declares the variable that will receive the data sent by the calling program. Since they represent actual input values, they are often referred to as formal parameters. Next part in the function definition is that function body. So function body, again, it consists of three parts. One is a local declaration, next is a function statement and a return. So local declaration that specifies the variable name by the function and function statement that performs its task of the function name, whereas the return statement that returns the value evaluated by the function. Okay. Next, function call. In this program, sum equal to add parenthesis, inside parenthesis a comma b is a function call. So function call can be done by simply calling the function name followed by the list of actual parameter enclosed in parenthesis. Okay. Next important element in user defined function is function declaration. So here before void main I have declared the function. It is int add, int a comma int b, ended with the semicolon. So like C variables, all the function in C programs must be declared before they are invoked. So it has four types. One is function type, function name and the parameter list and ended by a terminating semicolons. So we have seen what is function type already, what is function name already and a parameter list. So this is how a function, user defined function is declared, called and defined.